In this video, I'll show you how to blur text in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, it's important to know that Microsoft Word does not have a simple blur text button for normal type text. So we've got to do a couple of workarounds to achieve what you can see on the screen now. First, go ahead and type in the text that you want blurred. Here's my example. Then, from here, I just want you to click and drag and press Ctrl X to cut it. Then go to Insert at the top of the ribbon, select Shapes, and then I want you to select a rectangle. From here, just draw in the rectangle, go inside of the shape and press Ctrl V until you see the text. And then just bring in the sides and then try your best to get it in the middle of your page. From here, go to Shape Format at the top of the ribbon. Go to Text Fill and click on black. And if that doesn't change anything, just double select the text and change to black. And then go to Shape Fill and then try again until the shape fill must be no fill. That means it's transparent. Shape outline needs to be no outline, again transparent. And of course, you can change the color of your text to whatever color you want. Now we have text inside of a shape, but with transparent outlines and transparent fill. From here, we've got to tell Word that this is actually a picture, not a shape with some text in it. Click it once, then right-click the shape, and we're going to click Cut. From here, I want you to go to Paste at the home, click on the downward arrow, and select Picture. Click this once. From here, when I select it now, I'm going to go to Picture Format at the top of the ribbon, and go to Artistic Effects. Select it once, and here you'll have options to add different effects until you find the one that is called blur. Select this once. In order to change the strength of the blur, we can do this by selecting it again, clicking Picture Format, Artistic Effects Options. In the sidebar, we're going to go to the bottom where it says Radius. And if I increase this radius, the blur effect gets stronger. And as I decrease it, the blur effect gets weaker. You can then change this depending on how weak or how strong you want the effect to be. When you're happy, just click X at the top. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you learn other Word tricks and tips, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.